Okay, let's determine the slope of the tangent line 2f of x is equal to 2 minus x times x squared minus 1 at x is equal to negative 3. So you can notice here that there's two factors that are being multiplied together, and probably the easiest way to differentiate this is by utilizing the product rule. So recall that if the product rule, let's say that we have f of x is equal to g of x times h of x. The derivative of f of x is going to be g prime of x times h of x plus g of x times h prime of x. Okay, so utilizing this notion, right, f prime of x, I'm going to do the derivative of the factor to my very left, so derivative of 2 minus x. I'm going to keep the one on the right constant, x squared minus 1, right, plus, then I'm going to do the derivative of the factor on the right, which is x squared minus 1 times 2 minus x. Okay, now the reason I'm finding the derivative is because this represents the slope of the tangent at any point of x. Once I find the general derivative function, then I have to plug it in to find the slope of the tangent at x is equal to negative 3. So if we simplify this guy out, derivative of 2 minus x is basically just derivative of negative x, which is negative 1, times x squared minus 1, plus the derivative of x squared minus 1 is basically 2x, times 2 minus x. This is f prime of x. In this case, if I expand this out, you get negative x squared plus 1 plus 4x minus 2x squared, f prime of x. In this case, f prime of x is equal to negative x squared minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 1, which is equal to negative 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. Okay, so this is what the equation of the slope of the tangent looks like at any point of x. But we want to figure out what this specifically looks like at x is equal to negative 3. So I'm finding the slope of the tangent at x is equal to negative 3. That's what f prime of negative 3 means. And if you plug this in, you get negative 3 times negative 3 squared plus 4 times negative 3 plus 1. And that's going to give you negative 3 times 9 minus 12 plus 1, which is negative 27 minus 12 plus 1, which is negative 39 plus 1, which is negative 38. Okay, so the slope of the tangent at x is equal to negative 3 is negative 38.